Hi, and welcome to Blue's Garden 2-Minute Tips. Fall Stringing Onions. I start out by cutting about a 2-foot loop, so about 4 feet of rope. I cut the roots off of the onions, and then remove any of the loose skin. Try to leave as much on as you can, but take any of the loose skin off. Make a nice loop, tie off one bottom onion, and then leave about 4 or 5 inches of the onion green stalk left. Basically what you're going to do for stringing, and you're not braiding, you're going to string the onions. You'll put one piece through and then onion over the top of the green stalk part. So green stalk part through your loop and then onion over the top. It's always put the stringy dried part of the green stalk through and then onion over the top. Stringy dried part through and then flip the onion over the top. This process, just repeat and repeat. Trim off any of the little extra bits. I like to leave a couple of inches just in case any of the onions start to slip in this. But again, the stringy dried part through and then flip the onion over the top. You just keep doing this and tuck the onions down. I like to try and alternate which side of the loop string you're on. And then just fill in, try and drop the onions into the place so that as you build up your little pile of strung up onion, they sort of all fit together and they nestle into the low parts. Stringy part in, flip the onion over the top, trim the bits off. Stringy part in, onion over the top. Just keep going and just sort of alternate sides of the string you're going on and tuck the onion bits into the parts so that they kind of build up evenly as you go. Keep trimming. Again, onions bit in, flip the onion over the top. Just keep trying to level it out. Where you see a low spot, just add another onion. Keep going until you've got through all your onions. Let's do the process again. We'll try it again with a slightly different onion. The red onion again. Trim the roots off. Take any bits of the roots off and then take any of the loose skin off. And again, a nice solid little knot. Good and solid. Hang up your braid. Cut off all but the last couple of inches of the dried onion stalk. Tuck in the dried onion stalk and then onion, flip it up over the top. We're going to just keep doing this again, alternating. Tuck the dried stalk in. Twist it around and then onion over the top. That way there, the weight of the onion is pulling down and locking in that bit of that green stalk that you've done. And again, if you'll notice, I'm trying to fill in the onions as I go, alternating left and right side of this loop that I've hung up onion in. And you'll see at the end, you come up with a nice even braid. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips. Thank you very much.